Woo! Galing ng harmony. Galing ni Mami Kat. Yo, what's good everybody? It's your boy David again and I'm back with another video for today. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video and comment down below. So today, another reaction for ASAP Champions. This was yesterday's performance, August 27, 2023. So I can't wait. Please do follow me on Facebook page, David Lanyas, and on Instagram, RealDavid_29. So with no further ado, let's jump right into the video. Let's go! Oh, Ella. May cover siya nito eh.
Cried for you. If I knew
Nice.
it would be the last time, I would have broke my heart in two, trying to save a part of you. Don't wanna give another touch, don't wanna start another fire, don't wanna know another kiss, no other name falling on my lips.
Ooh.
Don't wanna give my heart away to another stranger. I'll let another day begin. Won't even let the sunlight in. No, I'll never love. I don't wanna know this feeling. It's you and me.
Mami ka, let's go.
I don't wanna waste a moment.
Naging Mariah.
And I don't wanna give somebody else
Sino yan?
the better part
Oh.
of me.
Okay, nakalimutan kong pangalan nito ulit. Ito yung sinasabi ko na pagdating sa belt notes, no, medyo nagiging aggressive. Minsan, nagiging out of control paminsan-minsan. Pakinggan nyo to Pakinggan nyo yung pasok niya. Medyo, she was really loud. Hindi naman yung loud na like the noise, but yung atake niya. Pakinggan nyo. Eto.
And I don't wanna give
Oh, it's a give. Oh. Medyo gigil siya eh.
And I don't wanna give somebody
Ayun na.
else the better part of me.
But the good thing about that is it's really raw.
I would rather die for you.
Ang ganda ng falsetto.
Don't wanna feel another touch. Don't wanna start another fire.
Grabe yung control ni Mami Kat, oh.
Don't wanna know another kiss.
Nice one.
Baby, let's stay where you're lips. Don't wanna give my heart away to another stranger.
Basic din.
Another day begin. Won't even let the sunlight in. Oh, I'll never love.
Woo! Galing ng harmony. Galing ni Mami Kat. Woo! Sarap sa tenga nung vocal splits. Woo! In fairness naman sa trio na to In fairness naman talaga. That was unexpected. Hindi ko na-expect na may ganung vocal splits at the end of the song. Good job, good job.
You're giving me a million reasons to let you go. You're giving me a million reasons to quit the show. You're giving me a million reasons. Give me a million reasons.
Ito si Lara, 'di ba? Yung nakalimutan ko to isang. Anong pangalan niya? Ito ni Ma'am.
If you could find a dry way, I forever be be still, but you're giving me a million reasons. Give me a million reasons, giving me a million reasons, about a million reasons. I'm proud to pray. I try to make the words seem better.
Nice.
Show me
The way.
to cut through all this worn out letter. I've got 100 million
Reasons to walk.
the way.
Woo! Basic.
Baby, I just need one good one to stay.
Galing ah.
Head stuck in a cycle, I look off and I stare. It's like that I've stopped breathing but completely aware.
Cause you're giving me a million reasons. Give me a million reasons. Giving me a million reasons.
Di ba ito si Lara? If I'm not mistaken, Lara, kasi naka-follow ako sa Instagram nito eh. Di ba theater singer to? No? More on the musical or opera, genre.
About a million reasons. And if you say something that you might even mean, it's hard
Para siyang si Angeline Quinto.
to watch, I should believe.
Nice.
Reasons. Give me a million reasons. Giving me a million reasons. About a million reasons.
I bow down to pray.
I try to make the words seem better.
Lord, show me
The way.
To cut through all this worn out letter. I've got 100 million reasons to walk away. But baby, I just need one good one to stay.
Ang bagay na bagay sa kanya yung kanta.
Baby, I'm bleeding, stay.
Galing ni Lara sa harmony.
Can't you give me what I'm needing? Every heartbreak makes it hard to keep the faith. But baby, I just need one good one.
Yung vocal quality niya bagay na bagay sa kanta.
When I'm
Good fun. Nice one.
down to pray, I try to make the world seem better.
Lord, show me the way to cut through all this worn out leather.
I've got 100 million reasons to walk away. But baby, I just need one good one, good one. Tell me that you'll be the good one, good one. Baby, I just need one good one to stay.
Galing nung harmony. Nice. Okay, may honest take sa kanila. As a duo, they're incredible. Ang ganda nung harmony nila, ang ganda nung support ni ni Lara, no? Sa nakalimutan ko tong artist tong pangalan niya. Yung isa. Yung lead singer ng duo na to. I mean the duet na ito. But I think that this song is not for Lara, no? Kasi the vocal quality pa lang, yung bigat ng boses, alam mo na na this song really requires that heaviness, that roundness of a voice, no? And the tone quality, hindi lang talaga para kay Lara yung kanta. But in terms of the support, man, it was amazing. Duet. Grabe. Ganda. Feeling ko parang sila. Lady Gaga yung nila, theme today. Oh, Jed Madela.
Tell me something, boy.
Dapat girl kasi boy ang kumanta.
Are you happy in this modern world? Or do you need more? Is there something else you're searching for?
Jason D? Oh.
In all the good times I find myself longing for change. And in the bad times I fear myself. I'm on the deep end, watches I dive in. I'll never meet the ground. Crash through the surface where they can't hurt us. We're far from the shallow now.
Ooh.
In the shallow
Suabe. Ah! Taas. Sing. Galing. Individually, ang ganda ng pagkakanta nila, no? Pero yung nakulangan lang ako sa sa unison, sa harmony nila, no? Parang hindi ko narinig masyado si Kimo. Mas narinig ko yung falsetto na harmony ni Jason D. So, parang yung cohesiveness ng harmony doon, hindi ko masyadong na-feel. But individually, ang gagaling.
Arizona sky,
Angeline?
burning in your eyes.
Isa pa tong idol ko eh.
You look at me and babe, I wanna catch on fire. It's buried in my soul, like California gold. You found the light in me that I couldn't find.
'Cause when I'm all choked,
So when I'm all
choked up,
but I can't find the words.
I think nare-react ko na siya
Every time we say
nang kumanta ng ganito.
it hurts.
Pero iba yung kasama niya.
When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Lovers in the night,
Oh.
always trying to ride. Oh,
Fana.
we don't know how to rhyme, but damn, we try. But all I really know, you're where I wanna go.
I feel like na-react ko na tong silang tatlo din. The deja vu? Or talagang kinanta nila ulit? Kasi ito, ASAP Champion. So, 8/27/2023. So, bago to. Pero, I felt like nakita ko na tong performance na to eh. Lalo na yung very catchy na Rani Fana doon. I am very sure na nakita ko na tong arrangement na to. ASAP din yun.
The part of me that's you will never die. So when I'm all choked up but I can't find words, every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Oh yeah, I don't wanna be just a memory.
Eto.
Woo-hoo.
Woohoo!
So when I'm all choked up and I can find the
Woo! Nice.
every time we say goodbye, baby. Oh,
Let's go!
always remember us this way.
Pasok lahat.
So when I walk choked up and I can't find a word,
Sabi ko na eh. Nakita ko na to eh.
every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. So when the sun goes down and the band won't play,
I'll always remember us.
this way. When you look at me and the whole world fades, I'll always remember us this way.
Woo! Nice! Ang galing. I love the fact na gumawa sila ng parang Lady Gaga na medley, yung mga hits ni Lady Gaga. And I think that all of the songs that were arranged, ang galing, no? I think yung nag-stand out talaga sa akin dito is yung kay yung grupo nila Miss Katrina. Sheena pala yun. Oh, Katrina, Sheena, and tingnan nyo, nakalimutan ko tuloy si Ella. Okay. Ella, Sheena, and Miss Katrina. And yung din, yung kay Lara at yung isang babae at sa last performance na din, no? I think that yung nag-stood out talaga sa akin is kila Miss Katrina because of yung unexpected na harmony na at the end of the song. I just love it. Ang sarap sa tenga. Ang galing nila nung the cohesiveness ng kanilang harmony. Amazing. So yeah, I think that's it. And hope you guys enjoy that one kasi I really did enjoy this. Ang gagaling. Super. So that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed that one. Peace out, everybody. Much love. Stay safe and God bless you all. Peace. Bye.